And there have been a number of deadly DUI crashes in our valley in recent weeks. The latest numbers, according to the Nevada Office of Traffic Safety, there have been 246 deadly crashes from January to August. 50% were DUI.
Well, this raises questions about whether Nevada has enough laws to hold both drunk drivers and the businesses serving the booze accountable. Our Jaewon Jung explains what the liquor liability laws are.
Much of Las Vegas's economy relies on businesses that sell alcohol, but with impaired driving continuing to be one of the top killers on Nevada's roads, should social hosts be held accountable?
It was devastating.
Like the rest of our valley, Sandy Heverly is still mourning the losses of Nevada State Troopers Sergeant Michael Abate and Trooper Alberto Felix. Heverly is the executive director of Stop DUI, a nonprofit focused on educating the public on the dangers of driving under the influence.
We have a huge problem.
Metro Police say the two troopers were killed last month when a drunk driver crashed into them on I-15 near D Street. The troopers were responding to another suspected drunk driver when the crash happened.
They're out, trying to keep the rest of us safe, and their lives were taken in a heartbeat.
The suspect accused of crashing into the two troopers is 46-year-old Jamarcus Williams. According to a Metro arrest report, he was drinking heavily at Palms Casino just hours before the crash. Police say the driver troopers were checking on was 33-year-old Guillermo Pacheco, who police say had a strong odor of alcohol coming from him and told police he was at a work party at Planet Hollywood. But according to state law, establishments like Palms or Planet Hollywood most likely won't be held liable.
In Nevada, the court has said as a matter of common law that you don't have a duty as a alcohol serving establishment to stop serving the inebriated or the intoxicated.
Jeffrey Stemple is a UNLV professor of law. In 2014, he authored the publication Making Liquor Immunity Worse about Nevada's lack of dram shop laws. A dram shop law holds businesses liable for overserving guests who later cause harm. Still in 2023, Nevada, along with 7 other states, does not have this legislation.
Nevada is just so out of step with the rest of the United States on that particular legal issue.
Clark County District Attorney Steve Wolfson says his office has 6 prosecutors dedicated solely to DUI cases.
It can be an impairment with regard to alcohol, non-prescription drugs, prescription drugs, or just distracted drivers. But the bulk of it is alcohol.
He doesn't know if dram shop laws will mean fewer cases in his office because Las Vegas is a 24/7 town.
Our businesses, our communities thrive on what we are as a city here in Las Vegas.
And this is exactly why Stemple and Heverly believe major entities which own our valley's hotels and casinos would strongly oppose social host liability laws because of the possible impact on their businesses. I reached out to Nevada Resort Association, which represents Nevada's gaming and resort industry, but it declined to comment. Heverly hopes there is some sort of a compromise so no more lives are lost because of a DUI.
It takes all of us working towards this goal, and that the goal is to save lives.
Heverly doesn't believe dram shop laws will ever pass in Nevada in her lifetime. Instead, she will continue to advocate for legislation that will enforce stricter punishment for DUI offenders. In Las Vegas, I'm Jaewon Jung.